Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a very super easy way to make your own homemade toasted tamari. We have here in front of us 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1 cup of sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons of this light soya sauce. This is a very good healthy snacks that you can store in an airtight container and use it for snacks, or even as salad topping, or even on your savory breads that you make at home. You can use it for topping on top of that. So let's get started. So we're going to do the toasted tamari. To start with, heat up the pan on medium high. Add in the pumpkin seeds and 1 cup sunflower seeds and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and we're going to stir them all around. I'm going to stir this until it's slightly brown. So now it's lightly brown. We're going to switch off the heat, and then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Stir the sauce in. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it on the pan to cool down, and you can store it in an airtight jar. Use it for snacks, topping for salad, or for your savory bread. So good. So here you go guys, this is our toasted tamari that once it's cold, we can just put it in an airtight container jar, and you can serve it as a topping for your salads, so like I say, even for savory breads or even for snacks. So hope you enjoyed today's cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and look forward to see you again next time.